In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load eSIM Smart Prepaid using GCash. If you're using a Smart Prepaid eSIM and want a fast, cashless way to top up, this walkthrough is for you. Before we begin, make sure your phone has a stable internet connection, your GCash app is updated, and you're signed in with enough balance for the promo you plan to get. The process for an eSIM is exactly the same as a physical SIM. The only difference is that your number lives digitally on your device. Start by opening the GCash app. From the main dashboard, look for the load option. It might appear as buy load on some versions of the app. Either way, that's where you want to go. On the next screen, choose mobile. This keeps you on the page for regular mobile load and promos, not gift cards or other categories. Now, select the telco. Pick Smart as your network so you see the correct offers. GCash may auto-detect based on your number's prefix, but it's still a good idea to confirm it shows Smart to avoid mismatched promos. Enter your Smart prepaid number that's linked to your eSIM. You can type it in, paste it from your contacts, or copy it from your device's eSIM settings if you're unsure. Take a moment to double-check each digit, especially if you use dual SIMs, so you don't load the wrong line. When you're confident the number is correct, tap. Next to continue, you'll now see a list of promos. Browse through the options and pick the one that fits your needs, whether that's all data, call and text combos, or packages with specific app inclusions. Pay attention to the price, data allocation, and validity period shown on the screen. If a promo name looks familiar, but the details differ, read the description carefully, since offers can change over time. Once you've selected a promo, you'll be shown the details and amount. This is your chance to review what you're getting and make sure everything looks right. If something seems off, like the network, number, or promo, simply go back and adjust before moving forward. And that's it. Open GCash, tap Load, choose Mobile, select Smart, enter your eSIM number, hit Next, and pick your promo. With these quick steps, you can keep your Smart Prepaid eSIM ready for calls, texts, and data without visiting a store or scratching a card. Thanks for watching, and keep this guide handy for your next top-up.